I love the idea of movement over medicine. Let's take 10 minutes of low impact, light movement to boost our mood, elevate our energy, and take real ownership of our health and well-being. Let's start with a simple walk just to get warmed up, pump the arms, get the legs moving. We just want to show up every day for ourselves. Physical activity to improve our mental health and well-being. I think of physical activity is really more for the mind than the body. When I'm feeling low and down, I get moving. Things change pretty quickly. Movement over medicine. I love the concept. Okay, let's arms up, step forward twice and back twice. Other leg, forward, forward, back, back. 2 forward, 2 back. Opposite leg. We're getting the brain going here today. Just gentle movements. Increase range of motion, balance, coordination today. I just want to start thinking instantly. It's even hard for me to talk while doing this. Just a couple more. And other leg. And shake the arms. Let's go big arm circles forward. Up on the balls of your feet. I encourage barefoot movement. If you're at home, it's safe to do. We use muscles in our feet when we're doing this barefoot that we wouldn't normally use when our feet are encased in shoes. Let's go backwards with the arms. Nice swing. All right. Ooh, yeah. Shake that out. You feeling it? We're gonna step and reach down. Step. Generate some heat. Get nice and loose. Just think of the idea of movement over medicine. The placebo is a real thing also. If we think it's going to work, it's going to. The power of the mind is so incredibly strong. And you say, this 10-minute workout, it's going to boost my mood, elevate my energy, support me in weight loss, make me stronger. It definitely will. And hopefully, it leads to more movement throughout the day. Just get as deep as you can. If you can touch the floor, brilliant. If you're not there yet, don't worry, you will be. Yeah, just one more. Brilliant. Okay. Swing the arms. I'm gonna go one knee, drive it up. You reach it back as far as you want. We're always building balance, strength in every workout. Choose your own adventure. It could look like this. You can crunch it in a little bit more for great core stability. 3, 2, 1. Other leg. Come over this way. Yeah, there we go. Maybe head up. We got this. Ooh. My balance is not nearly as good on this leg. That's all right. Excellent. Thank you, universe, for all the challenges you present. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Ooh, mama. That's good, eh? Just a little side shuffle just to loosen up the hips. Oh yeah, do a little dance, make a little noise, get down tonight. I'm sorry, I know I'm a terrific singer and you want me to continue, but it's not about that right now. Come, just a tiny little squat. Let's just gently punch. Just sit down to wherever you're comfortable. Pick a spot. Arms up nice and high. And get a little rhythm going. Move dynamically. If you can squat down a little deeper, why not? Breathe and just be. Be here now. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, and come on up. Nice, nice, nice. You ready? Cross, kick. Kick that hand, brilliant. But maybe it's this. Come on, that is a nice move. That feels good. I think so. And go up. Oh, you can feel that in the hamstring. Get way up there. Gradually, eventually, it'd happen if you keep at it. Just stack these wins, stack movement, sessions together. You can achieve anything. Power of the mind. I think I can. I think I can. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Couple more. Yes. Shake it out. Let's just step. Side step. Arms back. You can come down, really working on the triceps. If you need to slow things down, slow it down. You slow it down, you could focus on more flexibility, but reaching that toe out a little bit further. Oh, get to the end of the mat. Yeah. Chest up high, head held high. As you walk through every door today with your head up high, sense of accomplishment, achievement. Just for being you. You're enough, I assure you. Doesn't feel that way all the time, does it? But we are. Oh, you are. It's harder to say I am. I get it. We'll get there. We'll get past this ego. I am that I am. Yes. All right. Ooh, nice. We're walking up on the balls of our feet. Maybe you just slowing it down. We always come back to a little walking just to encourage. Put that in the mind. Oh, I should go a little walk for today. A little longer. Oh, go for 5 minutes. Go for 10 minutes. Oh, I got an hour in me. I'm feeling so good. Yes. Okay. Whew. Oh, just, yeah. Really reach back. I'm still taking tiny steps. Reach those arms back. We're gonna build mobility in the upper back. Oh, yes. Get those shoulder blades to touch. We spend a lot of time staring at screens, looking down. The upper back gets very tight. Yeah, reach it back. Still just taking tiny steps. All right, and shake it out. Toe tap. Continuing to move my arms. If a little tired up top, shoulders are, and just toe tap, that's fine. But if you got this in you, let's go. We're moving a lot today. Breathe. We're almost there. This is gonna be it for today. In 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah. You feeling good? It works. Movement over medicine. Movement for the mental health for sure. The physical, you get some nice side effects, yes, but weight loss. This is that's gonna happen in the kitchen. Mental health, that's gonna happen with our movement. Mental health happens in the kitchen also. I've definitely found that to be true. Let's just notice, just for one moment. Maybe we just send a little gratitude out. It's good to be alive. Every breath, every moment. What if we just saw it with awe and reverence? Easier said than done, I know. Appreciate yourself for showing up. I appreciate you. Comment, showed up, continue to show up for yourself. You truly do matter. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now.